In this tutorial of AutoCAD, I am going to talk about line command. How we can draw line in AutoCAD. We have basically two methods by which we can draw line in AutoCAD. First, by picking the line tool from Draw Tool palette, and the second one is by typing the shortcut or the command or alias for the line command. We can start line command by clicking at the line button on the screen in Draw panel. Click at this line button. We can see that our cursor has changed, means the square which was there at the middle of this crosshair is not present now. It means that our command has activated. Now we will specify the first point for the line and end point for the line. In this way, we can draw our line. Now we will provide the direction in which we want to draw line, and again we will provide the end point and click at that. Our line will be get drawn. Now to cancel the command, we will press escape key. By pressing the escape key, we can cancel the currently active command. Second method is we can activate this command by using shortcut key. So shortcut key for line command is L. By pressing or typing L, we can start line command. Again, we will specify the start point for line command, and then we will specify the end point. After clicking on those points, we can see our line has drawn. Again, we will click at the end point or provide the direction in which we want to draw our line. We can see our line has generated on the viewport. In this way, we can use line command. To cancel the currently active command, we will press escape key. Now, if we want to again use the last activated command, we will press space key or enter key once. It will activate the last activated or last used command. If we double press or if we press once again the space key, what happens? The line will get started or pick the point which was the last position of ending of the command. And now we can draw again line in which direction we want to draw. Whatever be the direction, it depends totally over on us, and we can draw our line as we needed.